Hello student, today our topic is chemical kinetics. Let us start our topic, that is chemical kinetics. So what is chemical kinetics? Chemical kinetic is the branch of physical chemistry which deals with the rate of reactions, and this is known as chemical kinetics. The study of chemical kinetics includes the rate of a reaction and rate laws. Next, the factors that influence the rate of a reaction. Our next topic is reaction rate. The knowledge of the rate of reaction is very valuable to understand the chemistry of reaction. Rate of reaction is generally expressed as the change in concentration of the reactant or product with time. So rate of reaction equals to change in concentration upon time taken. Let us consider one simple reaction. A gives product B, where A is the reactant and B is product. Here you see the concentration of the reactant A decreases and that of B increases as time passes. So we can write rate of reaction as minus delta A upon dt, where delta A is the change in concentration of A over time period delta T. And it is also represented as rate of reaction equals to delta B upon delta T. Here delta B represents the concentration of the product with time delta T. For the given reaction, the rate of reaction may be equals to the rate of disappearance of reactant A, which is equals to the rate of appearance of B. In this graph, A molecules decreases with time and molecule B increases with time. That means the concentration of A decreases as the time passes and the concentration of product B increases as the time passes. So here it is written as rate equals to minus delta concentration of A upon dt. Here minus represents the decrease in concentration of the reactant, and it is also written as rate equals to delta B upon dt. Positive sign indicates the increase in concentration of B. Let us talk about the order of a reaction. The order of a reaction is the sum of the powers to which the concentration are raised in the rate law is known as the order of the reaction. Here one rate expression is given. Rate equals to K, concentration of X and concentration of Y to power 2. Here the power of Y is 2 and the power of X is 1. That means the overall order of this reaction is 1 plus 2 equals to 3. The rate expression. An expression which show how the reaction rate is related to concentration is called the rate law or rate equation. Here one rate expression is given. Rate equals to K, concentration of X power M and concentration of Y to power N, where M and N are the order of the reaction with respect to X and Y. That means the overall order of this reaction is M plus N. Let us discuss what is the effect of temperature on rate constant K. For every 10 degree Celsius increase in temperature, the rate of reaction is just double. So here the rate expression is shown. Rate equals to K, concentration of A into concentration of B. If we increase the 10 degree Celsius temperature, the rate of this reaction is just double. Let us discuss how the rate constant depends on temperature. Here one graph is shown. Graph is between rate constant and the temperature. This is shown by Arrhenius equation. K equals to A into expression minus EA upon RT, where EA represents the activation energy in joules per moles and R is the gas constant whose value is 8.314 joules per Kelvin per into mole. T is the absolute temperature and A is the frequency factor. Let us discuss our next topic, that is collision theory of a reaction rate. So according to this theory, a chemical reaction takes place only by collision between the reacting molecules. The two main conditions for a collision between the reacting molecules to be productive are: first is the molecule must collide with each other. That means once molecules collide, they may react together or they may not. Second condition which is required, the reacting molecules must collide with proper orientation, or with molecules must have sufficient energy. Activation energy and the activated complex. So let us discuss what is activation energy. It is the minimum energy necessary to cause a reaction between the colliding molecules. And what is activated complex? Activated complex is a chemical species with partially broken and partially formed bond. So only the molecules that collide with a chemical kinetic energy greater than activation energy are able to get over the barrier and react to form a product. The molecules colliding with kinetic energy less than activation energy fails to give product. Here one graph is shown in which the exothermic reaction is given, and in other graph endothermic reaction is shown. So A plus B gives product C plus D. So in first graph, A plus B forms one activated complex with minimum activation energy and is converted into product C plus D. And in other graph it is shown A plus B required high amount of activation energy and then converted into the product C plus D. So activation energy is the minimum energy required to cause a reaction. At last, we discuss about what are the factors affecting the rate of a chemical reaction. So there are so many factors which affects. First is temperature, next concentration, next pressure, surface area and the presence of catalyst. All these factors are responsible for a rate of a chemical reaction. We discuss all this topic in our next lecture. Hope you understand the topic chemical kinetics. Thank you.